Good morning. We have made a small change to our vegetable washing machine, and I wanted to share that with you today and show you how we did it. Let's get started. We made this vegetable washing machine last year. Still pretty tickled with it. It works well. If you've not seen it, I'll put an iCard here for you, and also I will put the link at the end of the video. We previously held our manifold in the tank with this clamp. That's necessary because as this is running, air is coming up through the manifold and it has a tendency to lift the manifold up and out of the water. So I had held it in place with a clamp like this last year. It worked temporarily. I wanted something a little less redneck. We have a scrap piece of treated 2x4. I cut a radius edge here by putting the board on the plastic barrel using my pencil, marking a line on the inside, and cut that out with a skill saw. I cut a 2 1/4 inch hole here. A 2-inch hole would work for the 1.5-inch pipe, but I had the 2 1/4 inch hole saw ready and available. It worked fine. This is simply pipe strapping. It's a plastic pipe strapping, and we have secured it in place with a screw and a washer, and the washer is going to prevent the screw from pulling through this plastic pipe strapping. Same thing out here. I've got 2 screws going through the plastic barrel, and I also have a washer on those so that it won't pull through the plastic. I haven't decided how I really want to secure this yet. I think this is going to be temporary. In order for me to pull the manifold out of the tub to clean it, I'm going to have to pull a screw, and it may not be a major thing, but I'm looking for a better idea. If you have a better idea, something that would work to secure this manifold, let me know, and if it's a good one, I'll try it. Pretty quick and simple update for you today. I really like this vegetable washer. It works well, and we will continue to use it in years to come. Thank you for watching. Happy gardening.